To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the housing. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.